Section 2. Video 15. Lists and Keys Part 2. We have three main objectives in this video. 1. We will show you how to extract a component with a key. 2. We will demonstrate embedding map within a JSX container. 3. We will explain that keys must only be unique among their siblings. Keys only make sense in the context of the surrounding array. For example, if we extract a list item component from the to-do list component. We will destructure to-do from props. And we will return the list item from the to-do list component. Now we will add the list item in its place. In our list item component, index is not defined. We may be tempted to use the to-do text as the key instead. However, in Chrome's developer console, we get a warning that each child in a list should have a unique key prop. Remember that keys only make sense in the context of the surrounding array. We will remove the key from the list item component, since it is not in the context of the to-dos array. Instead, we will add the key within list item element within the to-do list component, which is in the context of the to-dos array. We can now see that the warning has disappeared. This is the correct way to specify the key. A good rule of thumb is that elements inside the map need keys. JSX allows embedding any expression in the curly braces of a JSX container, so we could inline the map result. Sometimes this results in clearer code, but this style can also be abused. Like in JavaScript, it is up to you to decide whether it is worth extracting a variable for readability. Keep in mind that if the map body is too nested, it might be a good time to extract a component. Keys used within arrays should be unique among their siblings. However, they don't need to be globally unique. We can use the same keys when we produce two different arrays. We will show an example. Let's first delete our to-dos example. We will render a blog element and pass in posts as a prop. Now, we will add some hard-coded posts. Now, we will define the blog component. First, we will add a sidebar. Inside sidebar, we will map over each post and display it in an unordered list. We will add the post ID as the key. Next, we will add a content section, which will map over each post, and display its title and its content. As we did in sidebar, we will add the post ID as the key. We will return the sidebar and the content, separated by a horizontal rule. Note that we have used the same key in both the sidebar and content sections. Keys serve as a hint to React, but they do not get passed to your components. That means that the key prop cannot be destructured from props in a component. If you need the value you passed as a key in your component as well, then you will need to explicitly pass it as a prop with a different name. To summarize, we showed you how to extract a component with a key. We demonstrated embedding map within a JSX container. And we explained that keys must only be unique among their siblings. In the next video, we will talk about using forms in React.